and you need to download the Windows host. Clear?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
And third step is AWS account creation steps. You just need to download from here, open the file, and you will see the steps. Clear?
Yes, sir. I am able to see.
Okay, fine. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now, okay. So again, or guys, Kalpana, you can share your screen. I can guide you, so everybody can again understand AWS account creation.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, please do that. आज सबका कर लो गाइस अकाउंट क्रिएशन, और कुछ इशू है तो पूछो. हाँ, जिसका डेबिट कार्ड पे कुछ इशू है, so you need to just call to your customer and get it deactivated.
Sir, I have shared my screen. Let me know if you are able to see.
Yeah. Yes, I can able to see your screen.
Okay.
You just follow that. Yeah. Just follow the steps.
Okay.
Yeah. Create an AWS account. You can see the your email address and
Sir, root user.
email address. Your email address. Just specify your email address. Gmail. Anything you
That's
have,
what
right?
I'm asking. In which one? Root user email address or AWS account name?
See here, the root user email address means your email address.
Okay.
And you need to specify also account name, right? Nickname, you need to specify anything. You can specify just Kalpana, that's it. Yeah. And you will receive the verification code on your email address.
Okay.
That you need to mention here. Set your password. Please set complex password, Kalpana.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then select the personal for your own project. Click on personal. How do you plan to use AWS? Yeah, you just provide your name, phone number +91. Just type +91. Yeah. Okay, go down. Country, India. And address, let's say if you are staying in Pune, you just specify only Pune, not needed to provide entire address detail. State, Maharashtra. Yeah. Yeah. And respective postal code. And just yes. Oh, you just fill that tab. Yeah, just type Pune here. Okay, just wait. Now you unshare your screen and fill up this detail. Okay,
Okay, sir.
for security reason. Yeah. Okay, Kalpana, I think after completing this, you just need to follow 2 steps and your account will get activated. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah, fine. Please unshare your screen. Okay, thank you. So, guys, everybody's clear how to create an AWS account at least?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now, the second one is suppose once you download the VMware and ISO image, okay, then I'm also going to teach you how to create a Linux VM in a VMware. Okay, but before that, since everybody are aware how to create an AWS account, so next step is how to install Linux operating, how to do the Linux installation on AWS. Okay, that I'm going to explain now. As of now, clear, guys, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, good. So I'm going to share my screen and we'll talk on how to set up a Linux instance on AWS. It's very simple. I'm going in very simple method. So please do not worry. Okay. Guys, could you please confirm if you can see my screen?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah,
Now,
it's visible.
yeah, now just understand. So now you are going to create an account on AWS. So let's say this is your AWS. Guys, please go on mute. Do not unmute, okay? Unnecessary disturbance and unnecessary background noise will generate. So basically, let's say you are over here. Let's consider this is your laptop and you have already connected this laptop over the internet. Okay, so what are the first steps? So you need to just open the URL, AWS console, and you just need to specify your email address and password. Once you fill up all the details, you will get connected to the AWS dashboard. Fine. Now, the moment you landing on AWS, there is service called EC2. EC2. अभी EC2 क्या है? That we'll understand. E for elastic, C for cloud, and C for computing. Okay. So with the help of this EC2 service, we can create instance on AWS. Now, what is this elastic cloud computing? Elasticity means, guys, elastic मतलब क्या होता है? जो चीज खींची जाती है, right? So that is called elastic, right? Response me, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Cloud मतलब, see, the cloud is nothing but AWS है. AWS के जो कुछ डेटा सेंटर्स है, गाइस, वहां पे आप सर्वर बनाने वाले हो. So cloud is nothing but your data center. Who is managing this data center? Your AWS. So cloud is nothing but the data center. And what is meant by computing, guys? Computing का meaning क्या होता है? Computing मतलब, guys, suppose if you have the ISO image, if you have the CPU, if you have the hard disks, if you have the RAM, or if you combine everything, what you're going to do? You're going to creating on VM. तो आप क्या कर रहे हो यहाँ पे? Basically computing कर रहे हो, right? So that is called computing. This is clear, guys. 3 word is clear. Elastic cloud computing. Response me, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Elastic cloud computing. Now, the moment you land, the moment you landing on the EC2 service, you would see the options. तो cloud क्या कहता है, AWS कहता है कि guys, since you have been determined that you need to create a Linux VM, so I'm going to provide you all the prerequisites to build, to set up the VM. So first option you will see the aim, the first option you will see the name tab you would see there. तो नेम का मीनिंग क्या है गाइस, कि आपको जो वीएम बनाना है उसको क्या नाम देना है, राइट? सो बेसिकली लेट्स से यू हैव प्रोवाइड द नेम, दिस इज माय लिनक्स वीएम, राइट? सो दिस इंफॉर्मेशन यू नीड टू फिल अप, कि नेम की जगह पे आपने यहाँ पे फिल अप कर दिया कि मुझे लिनक्स वीएम बनाना है. Linux VM, fine. Second option, it would ask you how many VM you want to create, number of VM. Number of VM, कितने बनाने हैं आपको? Let's say you want to create only one VM. You just choose one. Third is AMI image. Now, what is this AMI? Amazon AMI, Amazon machine image. So basically, guys, you will have, you know, different option here. Maybe Windows, maybe Linux, maybe SUSE, maybe Ubuntu. Which operating system you want to install, right? So since we are going for Linux, so you need to select Linux here. And then next would be instance type. Instance type. Guys, please understand what is this instance type. अब instance type मतलब AWS क्या कहता है, if you want to go with the one CPU, अगर आपको one CPU and 1 GB RAM चाहिए, then you need to select T2.micro. T2. यहाँ पे मॉडल होते हैं गाइस, T2.micro मॉडल दिए होते हैं. अगर if you want 2 CPU 2 GB RAM, you want 2 CPU and 2 GB RAM, then you will get T2.medium. तो ये फैमिली गाइस उसके है ना, T2.medium. So basically what you need to understand, you know, what kind of configuration you want, right? So basically you know that, right? One CPU, let's say you are creating the VM for only practice purpose, so you don't need more RAM and more CPU, right? You just go with the 1 CPU and 1 GB RAM. And if you want to go with the 1 CPU 1 GB RAM, you just need to select a T2.micro. Clear guys? Response me please. We'll see this practically.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now the
Yes, sir,
next, yeah, the next is now here keys. अभी थोड़ा समझो गाइस, ओके? आपका पूरा कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो जाएगा ये क्या मैं बता रहा हूँ. कीज. सो बेसिकली गाइस यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. सी सपोज अगर आपका यहाँ पे AWS VM आपने इंस्टॉल किया, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट password based authentication by default is disabled. Guys, when you set up any Linux VM on AWS, by default password based authentication by default disable. That means you never ever log in server using the password. मतलब अगर आपका एक VM है, guys please understand, अगर आपका एक VM है, जो VM आपने AWS पे सेटअप करके रखा है, और let's say you are using your laptop, और आपको उस VM को क्या करना है, कनेक्ट करना है, तो आप पासवर्ड डालोगे तो ये कनेक्ट नहीं होगा. क्यों? कि बिकॉज पासवर्ड बेस्ड ऑथेंटिकेशन बाय डिफॉल्ट डिसेबल. देन व्हाट यू नीड टू लॉग इन टू दिस VM, गाइस यू नीड टू डाउनलोड द की. तो बेसिकली की डाउनलोड के लिए आपको की का नाम देना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे मैंने दिया लिनक्स VM की. तो ये की व्हेन आई एम गोइंग टू यूज गाइस, during कनेक्टिंग माय लिनक्स वीएम। तो मैं आपको बताऊंगा वो की कैसे अटैच करनी। तो बेसिकली गाइस ऑलवेज रिमेंबर while setting up the Linux VM on AWS, you must download the key, and this keys extension, there are two extension guys, .pem and .ppk. मैं आपको वो भी बता दूंगा कि सॉफ्टवेयर कैसे इंस्टॉल करते हैं, that I can help you. So you can download any format key, it doesn't matter. Clear guys? Response me please.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we will go on AWS and we can launch the VM. But I need your help now because you know this, right? How to set up the VM. So what I'm going to do, I'm just log in my AWS. See guys, this is your AWS. The moment you log in, so see, I just log in this account, and guys, you would see here the region. Always remember, these are the regions. So suppose which is the nearest region from your place. So if you could see here, Mumbai is nearest for us, right? Because since we are in India and that too we are in Maharashtra, so which is the nearest one for us? Mumbai, right? So click on Mumbai region. जो भी ये बनेगा आपका सर्वर कौन से रीजन के डेटा सेंटर में बनेगा गाइस?
Sir, Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Mumbai. Clear? This is clear,
Mumbai.
guys. Response me.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, see. Now, guys, what you need to do? You need to search the service. Which service we need to search? Which service we need to? Very good. EC2. The moment you type EC2, you could see here the EC2, virtual server in the cloud. Just click on EC2. Okay, so basically the moment you see this page, if you could see the option below launch instance, to get started, launch an Amazon EC2 instance, which is a virtual server in the cloud. So which option you need to select, guys? Launch instance. Clear?
Yes.
Just
Yes.
click on launch instance. Okay. Now just understand. Launch an instance. Amazon EC2, Amazon Elastic Cloud Computing Service, allowing you to create VMware machine, or guys, we could name called instance as well. And where it's run on your AWS data center. Quickly get started by following the simple steps below. The first option, क्या है guys? What is this? Name of your
Server.
Server name.
yes, name of your VM, name of your instance name of your server name of your client name of your node name. Clear, guys? So I'm just specifying here, this is my Linux server. But how many server, how many instance, how many VM, how many client, how many node I want to create? If I want to create 10, you can give 10. You want to create 100, you just select 100. But for now, I just need one, right? So I just select one. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you just go down, you would see here AMI, Amazon Machine Image. And AMI is a template. AMI is just ready-made template, guys. You would get from AWS that contain the software configuration. You can call operating system. Okay. So which operating system you want to install? So there are more than 1,000 of OS, but we need Red Hat Linux since we are learning Red Hat. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you just go down and you would see the option called instance type. Okay. If you click on info button, guys, info, See, select instance type that meet your computing, memory, networking, or storage need. But if you click on instance type, guys, I can show you. See here, T2.micro. Guys, since your account is the uh, type of your free tier account, right? You are into free tier account. That means which is a free of cost for a year. So if you want to create any instance on AWS, you always select only T2.micro option, T2.instance, T2.micro instance type. Why? Because other instance type are not free and your account is not under billable state, right guys? So basically if you want to create any instance, which instance type you need to select? T2.micro, because which is under free tier eligible. But if I choose T2.micro, what I would get? I would get one CPU and 1 GB RAM. But if I choose T2 dot small, what I would get? I would get one CPU, 2 GB memory. If I would select T2 dot medium, what I would get? I would get two CPU, 4 GB memory. If I would get T2 dot large, what I would get? I would get two CPU, 8 GB memory. If I go with the T2 dot X large, what I would get? I would get 4 CPU, 16 GB RAM. So guys, as a Linux engineer, if you get any requirement from any team, application team, development team, so what is the requirement? According to that, you need to select your instance type. So since this instance you are going to create for the learning purpose, and since you are using the free tier account, then you must select only one instance type, that is called T2.micro, one CPU, 1 GB RAM. But in case if I choose other instance type, so since my account is not free tier and still I am using other instance which are under the billable, then what would be the impact on my account? I would get the bill. Clear guys? So always remember that while creating the instance for learning purpose and in your free tier account, you must select only T2.micro. This is clear guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So instance type is
Yes,
clear.
sir.
Now key pair. As I already told you that your AWS password, by default, password based authentication is disabled. So AWS asks you to download the key, because by default password based authentication is disabled. Now you can use the key pair to securely connect to your instance guys. देखो अलग अलग नाम है, आप इंस्टेंस भी बोल सकते हो, आप वीएम भी बोल सकते हो, आप सर्वर भी बोल सकते हो, आप क्लाइंट भी बोल सकते हो, आप नोड भी बोल सकते हो। ओके तो आप कंफ्यूज नहीं होना रहे इंस्टेंस का मीनिंग क्या है, वीएम का मीनिंग क्या है, नोड का मीनिंग क्या है, नहीं, ये सारे एक ही वर्ड है, ऑल आर सिमिलर वर्ड्स, राइट? सो ये कह रहा है कि यूज दिस की टू कनेक्ट योर वीएम. Ensure that you have access to the selected key pair before you launch. That means guys, before launching my instance, you need to download the key. तो की कैसे डाउनलोड करना है? जस्ट हियर सिलेक्ट अ की पेयर. जैसे मुझे की अभी चाहिए तो मैंने यहाँ पे नाम दे दिया, मुझे लेट्स से आई वांट की नेम लिनक्स instance. I can give any name, guys. It doesn't mean that you need to specify only Linux system. So if I specify here Pune key, that's it. That it can be acceptable. Any name can be acceptable. Fine. So key pair, you just select here RSA format key type, and for now, for this time, I am just using the PPK. Okay, guys. So PPK for use with the putty. So I'm going to teach you how to install the putty and how to connect this instance by using the putty. But for now, you just need to specify the key pair name, select RSA and private key file format. It should be PPK and just download. The moment you select that, the key would be download in download folder. Now, guys, this option is not useful for us, so just ignore this and you just click on launch instance. Clear, guys? Response me, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
good. Now, if you just go down, you would get the option view all the instance. You may just click on view all instance tab. And guys, it will landing you again the same page, and it says that, hey Rahul, you have been created Linux server. This is your instance ID, and yes, instance is in process, but now you could see the pending status, and you have been selected T2.micro option. That means you would get one CPU and 1 GB memory in this instance. This instance you have been created in Mumbai region, in the zone AP South 1B zone. And if you just go down, this is your IP address, and which key you have taken? Pune key. That's it, guys. Now, coming back to the my paint file. So what I did, guys, on AWS, I have created one instance. Again, guys, don't get confused. Instance, VM, server, client, node, सारे के सारे एक ही नेम है. तो अगर मैंने कभी वीएम बोला या सर्वर बोला या क्लाइंट बोला, नोड बोला, तो आप कंफ्यूज नहीं होना, क्योंकि ये एक ही है. फाइन. सो बेसिकली व्हाट आई डिड, आई जस्ट लॉन्च वन लिनक्स वीएम. And where did I launch this? On AWS. Which region?
Mumbai.
Mumbai. Okay. Suppose, guys, if I am here, this is my laptop which I am currently using, and yes, that laptop is already been connected my ISP provider, and that is what I have internet connection with my laptop. And from my laptop, guys, I need to connect this VM. So what I need, what are the information I require to connect the VM? So first I need an IP address. There are two type of IP address in AWS, guys. One is private, one is public. You need to always grab public IP address. Why public IP address? Because you are going to connect the VM from outside the AWS network. Because see, I am in Pune, guys, and I am going to connect my VM which already been decided on AWS platform. So I need a public IP. Then you will have a question. Then when do I use private IP address? Okay, good question. Suppose, guys, you have two VM in same region. This is, let's say, Linux VM 2. And if you want to connect both of them, let's say from Linux VM 1, you want to connect Linux VM 2. So let's say if you are already been decided Linux VM 1 and you want to connect Linux VM 2 from the Linux VM 1, then you can use the private address because you are in same network. This is clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, fine. So basically you go back to the AWS, and what information you require, you need public IP. So basically, if you go to the detail option, you will have the two IP address. One is public IP address, one is private IP address. So which IP we need to select? Public IP. So I'm going to copy my public IP. This is my public IP address. And one more information I require. क्या लगेगा, guys, to connect my VM? What we had downloaded during the installation?
Key.
Key. Very good. Without key, you cannot log into your VM. So and key always be in your download folder. Can you see his Pune key?
Yeah.
Guys, as of now, any doubts? Please respond me. All clear, guys, as of now?
So can we configure any like dedicated IP address here? I mean IPv4.
See, this, if you could see, this is your static IP address in private, and this is your dynamic IP address. So in case if you restart your VM, your dynamic IP will be changed. But if you want static public IP, then you would have option elastic IP address. But since we are not learning AWS solution architect course, we are just understanding simple thing how to launch instance on AWS. Clear?
Sure, sir. Got it.
Okay. Fine. But as of now, all the steps clear, guys. Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now, so since I want to connect my VM from on my laptop, what I need to download first Putty software. How to download Putty software? It's very easy. Go to Google. Download Putty for Windows. And the guys, first link, Putty www.putty.org. You just click on this first link and just download. So I am going to, guys, copy this link and share with you. Hope you can see, you can get that link from the message box. You can also download that if you want right now. Okay, so since after downloading the Putty, you will get this icon Putty. Can you see this, guys? Putty icon on my taskbar.
Yes, sir.
You just click on the Putty, and guys, you will see this pop up the window, and in window the first option called IP address. So guys, you need to provide the IP address. So go to instance. This is your public IP address. Copy the public IP address. Paste the public IP address in the box. And second thing, guys, we need to attach the key. Can you see this, guys? SSH option. You can see here plus. You just
Yes.
maximize this, and you can get the option here auth, and you would get the option called here. 1 minute, guys. Auth. Yeah. So you just click on auth tab, and you can get here browse button. You select the browse and attach that Pune key and click on open. Okay. 1 minute, guys. Okay. Can you see, guys, my Putty screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You would get the option login as. You need to specify, guys, EC2-user and click on that. So what is this EC2-user? That I am going to explain now. See, guys, the moment you set up a Linux VM in that AMI image, which we have selected AMI image, AWS already been add one EC2 user in that AMI image. So once you launch your VM, to connect your VM, you can use the EC2 user. So EC2 user is a normal user, guys. तो मैंने क्या किया यहाँ पे, जस्ट टाइप किया EC2 यूजर एंड आई कैन कनेक्ट माय इंस्टेंस. क्लियर गाइस? रिस्पॉन्स मी प्लीज.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So you will have a 5 minute of time. You just guys, everybody has AWS account.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm also having issues with my created debit card, sir. And
सर
after that, I will
मैंने भी
create
क्रिएट
another.
किया है.
Sorry?
एक्चुअली मुझे वेरीफाई कोड नहीं आ रहा है.
Okay, text verify कोड नहीं आ रहा है मतलब.
हाँ मतलब एक वेरिफिकेशन कोड आता है इसमें
हाँ.
लास्ट में. सर वो वेरिफिकेशन कोड मुझे आ नहीं रहा है AWS अकाउंट क्रिएट करने के लिए. आफ्टर ये पेमेंट डिटेल मैंने कर दी उसके बाद.
ओके ओके, तो वहाँ पे वो रीजनरेट कोड का ऑप्शन आता है ना, वेट
Yes.
करना होगा फिर. इट्स मे बी इशू विद देयर AWS साइट. कैन यू शेयर योर स्क्रीन?
यस सर आई कैन. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, it's loading.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 minute, huh?
Hmm.
Okay, so confirm your identity. This is code tab, right?
Hmm.
Return to previous page. Something it takes up 10 minutes or retrieve the verification
सर
code.
बहुत देर पहले मैंने किया था, जब आपने उस टाइम बताया था तभी था, और मैंने एक बार रिटर्न पेज भी कर दिया था.
Okay.
तो वहाँ तो एरर आ गई थी. वापस मैंने फॉरवर्ड बटन पे क्लिक किया तो वापस मुझे ये पेज आया, पर मुझे वेरिफिकेशन कोड नहीं आ रहा है.
Can you please click on return to previous page? Okay. Could you please again type? This time you can use the voice call.
Okay.
You can choose the option voice call. वहाँ पे ऑप्शन है ना, हाउ शुड वी सेंड द वेरिफिकेशन कोड. हाँ, आप देखते हैं वॉइस कॉल पे क्या आता है. ठीक है, और आप वो अपना कैप्चा कोड डाल दीजिए नीचे. कॉल नाउ कराची. देखो आप कॉल आता है क्या.
हाँ सर, आई एम वेटिंग फॉर दैट. आई गेस ये नया कैप्चर डालने के लिए बोल रहा है.
कैप्चर आइए ना, HEMH66XD. ओके.
हाँ सर, अभी वेरीफाई हो गया है.
हो गया.
हाँ.
गुड. चलो ठीक है, आप वो बेसिक प्लान सिलेक्ट करो और
हाँ.
कंप्लीट कैरी करो, नीचे
Okay.
ऑप्शन. ठीक है.
हाँ हाँ.
चलो ओके बाय. ठीक है, तो यहाँ तक हो गया आपका. गाइस सबका हो गया AWS अकाउंट में. अगर किसी का डेबिट कार्ड या उसका इश्यू है गाइस, तो यू नीड टू कांटेक्ट योर बैंक, राइट. उसके लिए मैं अभी कुछ नहीं कर सकता. बट इसके अलावा किसी को कुछ इश्यू क्लियर है
सर,
सबका?
हेलो.
हाँ बोलो बाकी.
सर, जब हम इंस्टेंट टाइप सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं ना, वहाँ पे T2.micro नहीं आ रहा है मेरे यहाँ. T3.micro फ्री टायर एलिजिबल, तो वो सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं ना?
बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं. जहां पे भी आपको लिख रहा है फ्री टायर, आप यू कैन ब्लाइंडली सिलेक्ट दैट ऑप्शन भाग्यश्री. ओके.
ओके सर. ओके.
चलो, एनी डाउट्स गाइस? Guys, this is the first class, so that is what we are going very slow. Okay, but from next class onwards it would not happen like this, so you need to be very proactive.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Sir, just can you please once again and public key and private key.
Sorry,
Can you please explain public key and private key?
see the public key and private key. So which key we are downloaded? Can you please
Public
tell
key.
me? Public key. So public key guys you can use, but private key you cannot download. That we will be understanding deeply when we learn the SSH.
Yes.
Okay, but for now, for AWS, you just use the public key and connect it with your EC2 instance. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So, guys, what we learn as of now, let me share my screen. Okay.
So in the PuTTY, it is 64-bit into 86 or 64-bit into ARM, whichever, whatever we should download. So
64-bit.
64-bit into 86 or 64-bit into ARM.
86. 64-bit into 86.
Okay, so thank you.
ओके या तो गाइस हमारा अभी तक का क्या टॉपिक कवर हो गया AWS अकाउंट कैसे बनाते हैं सबको क्लियर हो गया गाइस और सेकंड EC2 इंस्टेंस कैसे लॉन्च करना है
सर ये AWS अकाउंट क्रिएट तो हो गया है इसके बाद हमें किस पेज में जाना है अभी मतलब साइन इन टू द कंसोल में जा रही हूँ तो अगेन इट इज आस्किंग मी टू क्रिएट द अकाउंट
No, you need to click on the login button, right? And then you need to provide your. Can you share again your screen, Kalpana?
Okay, sir.
And Kalpana, you may please read and because I already been explained this.
Okay, sir. Let me follow that. If any issue,
Yeah, please.
then I will check it out. Okay. I'm not sharing. I am just going through the article.
Okay, fine. No. So, guys, let me share my screen here. Yeah. Okay. So 3 option clear, guys. Yeah, you can talk.
Hello, sir. What is PuTTY and why we use it, sir?
So PuTTY, guys, see, PuTTY is just software to connect your instance. If you don't have a PuTTY, how you can connect the instance? Right? So that is what we are using the PuTTY.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. So PuTTY is clear. Now, guys, next I am going to tell you the mobile stream. And guys, even I have this 1 minute. I can also share you that steps. See, guys, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Log into AWS EC2. First, you need to go here, select the root user, type your email ID. Yeah. Even you can create the IAM user. That is optional, okay? You can create the IAM user. You can create the roles here. If you want, you can do this. This is like AWS, guys. I can share you the steps, but you need to understand and learn. रोल नेम से भी आप कर सकते हो all the steps are there. Fine. That I am going to share with you. Don't worry. Connect to EC2 with PuTTY. Guys, you just download the PuTTY. Okay. Okay, I'm going to explain this as well. Okay, fine. So now, guys, just understand. 3 option we have clear. AWS account, EC2 instance कैसे launch करते, PuTTY कैसे use करते. Now we'll talk on mobile extreme. Mobile extreme also is nothing but one of the software. You can use the PuTTY or mobile extreme. Anything, whichever you are comfortable. So we are talking about now mobile extreme. तो कैसे क्या करना है guys? Google पे जाओ. You simply download mobile extreme. And just type mobile extreme. And this is the link, guys, which you can download the Mobile Stream software. And here you will select the Mobile Stream Home Edition and just click on download. I have already that software already been installed on my system, so I'm not going to download, but I'm going to share you the link. तो ये भी आप डाउनलोड करके रखना मोबाइल स्ट्रीम. सब डिस्कनेक्ट हो रहे हो क्या हर बार? Guys, can you please download the mobile stream? You can download it. The link already been shared. You can download. Okay, or you can download it later. ठीक है, अभी कुछ मत करो. You just see now. Okay, so mobile stream, guys, just understand. If you have the PPK key, then only you can use the putty. Please remember. And if you have the PIN key, then you can use the mobile stream. So I'm going to launch one more instance and I'm going to connect from the mobile stream. Vijay, what happened? Are you logging again and again? Okay, so basically, guys, what I'm going to do, I'm launching again one more instance. How to launch, guys? Please respond. Which service I need to select?
EC2.
EC2. And then
Select,
Go to instances.
launch instance, guys.
Yes.
Launch instance. Here,
Server on the
yes. Let's say I'm typing here Linux Server 2. Which operating system I need to select here? Red Hat.
Red Hat.
Yeah, and the instance type should be your T2.micro. And now I'm downloading one more key, Red Hat key, and this time I am using the PEM format, guys. PEM, and downloading the key, and just launch instance. And click on view all the instance. So guys, you could see that my next server is in pending status and soon it will be in active state. Okay, so basically, guys, mobile stream already been installed on my laptop. So I'm just searching mobile stream. Click on run. And guys, if you could see here the click on session button, and you can see the SSH. Click on SSH tab. And here you need to provide your public IP address. And what would be the default username, guys? Response me, please.
EC2
user.
Hyphen user, right? So copy your public IP. And click on advanced SSH setting. Click on use private key. And this is your Red Hat key, guys. And click on OK. Clear, guys? Response me, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So mainly we understood how to use mobile stream. So Putty also we understood, mobile stream also we understood, right?
Sir, what is the difference between putty and mobile?
There is no difference. There is no difference. These are just softwares to connect the EC2 instance.
Okay.
Okay. Mobile stream, it will give the more flexibility, right? You can create the more sessions. Suppose if I want to create one more session, right? Or I
Yes,
can take I can take the get duplicate session. I would get the one more session, right? So you will
Yeah,
get the more flexibility if you go with the mobile extreme. Okay.
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, fine. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Response me, please. Now,
Yes, sir. Sir, please repeat once.
I don't understand.
सर एकदा रिपीट करा सर ते मोबाईल एक्सट्रीम थ्रू कसं कनेक्ट करता आपण आयपी.
See, click on session. Click on SSH. Paste the public IP. What is the username? EC2
EC2 user.
hyphen user. Click on advanced setting. Use the private key and download the key. Sorry, attach the key from downloaded section and click on OK. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay, fine. So any doubts for fourth? Clear, guys? Response me, please.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now our next topic will be our VMware Linux from VMware. Okay. So guys, once you download the VMware software, and once you download the ISO image, you can start installing the Linux from VMware. Okay, but we will see this topic in the next class, because since today is the first class, so please please be with your account. Try to launch EC2 instance. Try to use PuTTY. Try to use Mobile Extreme. And then next topic, guys, I am going to teach you how to, because till that time you will have this option, right? VMware software, because I already been shared the link, right, guys, on WhatsApp group. So we can start installing from the VMware. Clear, guys? Response me, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. So before that, I need to understand I need to take the attendance. कितने लोग हैं हमारे इसमें? Guys, 1 minute now, and then we'll talk on question answer. Yeah. So guys, one by one, guys, the main condition is that if you really want the job, you need to attend the class every day. Okay, guys, could you please ping me your first name and last name one by one? I need to just update that information in my Excel, and every day I'm going to take the attendance. Attendance, it should be 90%, guys, 99. Okay, if you are unable to join, please inform me. Okay, guys, please ping me your first name and last name.
राकेश कुंपेल्ले.
Yeah, you just ping. Okay. Any doubt, guys? Any doubt in today's session? So, guys, I do not want to continue with the VMware installation right now, because first, please, be ready with your AWS setup, and then next session we will be, it hardly take 10 minutes to set up on VMware, and then we'll be starting with our syllabus. Clear, guys? Any doubts? Now you can feel free to talk me Hindi, Marathi, English, anything.
So I have opened Putty. Can you just guide me through how can I browse the
Yeah.
key? I have pasted the IP address.
Please share your screen, Kaustubh.
Yeah. So I have opened. Can you able to see my screen?
No, Kaustubh, I didn't see your screen. There is a tab called Present Now. You just click on Present Now button and share your screen. Then only I can guide you, right?
Can you able to see, sir?
Yeah, it's presenting now. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Now show me.
Just a second, sir.
Yeah.
So, sir, I have pasted the IP address. So, how can I browse the key?
Oh, it is not visible me actually properly. So how can you browse the key? In the sense, click on the browse button, and where the key got downloaded in the download folder, right? So go to that.
Download
choose
folder.
obviously you need to select the download folder path, and then from there you need to attach that key.
So, I am not getting browse option. So, where is the browse option? That is
So
what
I
want
cannot
to-
see your screen actually.
Sir, screen not visible, sir.
Yes.
Screen it will be struck, I think.
Yes.
Maybe
Even
it
I
will
am
be
also not
network
able.
issue.
Yeah.
I guess my internet connection is low. So that's
Yeah.
why.
Yeah. So that is the problem, right? You may
Yes,
please. Yeah. Okay,
So I will
guys.
try.
Yeah, you can try. Okay.
Yeah.
You have two options,
Thank you.
Kaustubh. Either you can go with the mobile stream or you can go with the putty. Okay, it doesn't matter.
Okay. Okay.
Wherever it's
Okay.
compatible, you can use only one.
Okay. Sir.
It's
Thank
not required two softwares, guys. But why I explain you to, in case if you are not compatible with the putty, go with the mobile stream. If you are not compatible with the mobile stream, use the only putty. Clear? Okay, so then I am asking you the one by one in case if you have any doubts. Bhagyashri, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Any
No
doubt?
doubt.
क्लियर सब कुछ समझ में आ गया?
हाँ सर हाँ.
तो क्या क्या करना है? AWS अकाउंट बनाना है, उसके बाद EC2 लॉन्च करो उसको, उसके बाद कनेक्ट करना. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
चेतन, एनी डाउट्स?
Yes, sir. I have doubt. Like I'm using Kubuntu, so I have a terminal in my machine.
See, one
Can I
minute,
do it?
Chetan, 1 minute. Since you are using the Kubuntu, that's completely fine. But now what we understood and what we learned, that you need to do the lab.
Right.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Kalpana, any doubts?
No, sir, I don't have any doubts. I just wanted to know that today we will get this recording session,
Yes,
right?
obviously you would get the recording session. Okay, so you just go through the recording session, Kalpana, and in case if you have any doubts, you can talk to me in next session. Okay,
Okay.
and I'm sure that all doubts will be clear once you once you've gone through the recording. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Kaustubh, I already spoke to you. Then Pratik, any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
तो
tell me.
पुटी कनेक्ट करना था ना वो तो मेरा इंटरनेट कनेक्शन चलता है ऐसे तो बताओगे क्या फिर से
Yeah, शेयर करो ना स्क्रीन. please share your screen, Pratik. Pratik, share your screen.
But I
What
don't
is your
have the-
question? No, what is your question? The
connect
voice was
करना था
breaking up actually.
Hello?
क्या कनेक्ट कैसे करना था?
पुट्टी सर, पुट्टी
हाँ, कनेक्ट क्या करना था? पुट्टी को क्या,
पुट्टी
पुट्टी
का
ओपन
समझ में
करके
नहीं
आईपी
आया
एड्रेस एंड की ऐड करनी है ना प्रतीक?
हाँ सर वही
Putty is nothing but a software which you need to
इंटरनेट
download
कनेक्शन
to
डालना
get.
था ऐसा।
Yeah, it's ओके। तो पुटी क्या है? बेसिकली सॉफ्टवेयर है गाइस। ओके, अगर आपका सर्वर का आप अभी AWS पे, राइट, और आपका लैपटॉप से आपको कनेक्ट करना है, तो आपको बीच में कुछ ना कुछ तो इंटरमीडिएट चाहिए ना टू कनेक्ट करने के लिए। तो दैट इंटरमीडिएट इज नथिंग बट कॉल्ड ऑफ द पुटी। So Putty is nothing but just a software to connect your instance. Nothing of. Clear? Pratik?
Yes sir.
Pratik, are you
Yes,
there
clear.
with me or not? Yeah, okay. You, Pratik, you just go
Yes,
through
sir,
the
clear,
recording.
sir.
Okay, guys, everybody has to go through the recording after completing the class. It's mandatory. Rakesh, any doubts?
No, sir.
Clear everything?
Yes.
Okay. Ramesh, sure. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Shreyas, any doubts? Shreyas, at least say yes, no.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Suman, any doubts?
No, sir.
Clear everything?
हाँ sir.
Vijay Kumar, any doubts?
No, sir. I just wanted to ask you what would be the login name, sir?
What would be the
Login EC2 instance login name.
EC2 instance login means are you asking about the default username?
Yeah.
EC2 user, EC2 hyphen user. Okay, fine. Who left, guys?
Sir, one quick question.
Yeah.
वो आपने जो RHEL सर्वर का वो एक लिंक दिया था उसमें डाउनलोड करने के लिए बोला था, तो सर दैट इज गेटिंग डाउनलोडेड। आफ्टर दैट व्हाट वी हैव टू डाउनलोड?
एक देखो, मैंने आपको दो लिंक दिए थे, राइट? एक VMware का था और एक ISO का था, तो दोनों डाउनलोड करके रखना अपने लैपटॉप पे। जो नेक्स्ट क्लास होगा ना, उसमें जब मैं VMware आपको पढ़ाऊंगा तो आप पैरेलली इंस्टॉलेशन कर सकते हो।
तो सर पहले वाले लिंक में करीब 4 लिंक्स थी उसके अंदर, तो सर 4-5 तो सर सारे करना है।
एक मिनट, मैं आपको फिर से बता देता हूँ। देखो, मैंने आपको 2 ही लिंक दिया है ना व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में।
नहीं सर, वो लिंक के अंदर
एक मिनट, देखो मैं आई शेयर माय स्क्रीन।
हाँ ठीक है।
तो आपका प्लीज कंफ्यूजन कुछ भी मत रखना गाइस, अभी सारे डाउट्स क्लियर कर लो। एक बार आपका सेटअप हो जाएगा फिर आपको एकदम इजी हो जाएगा सारा चीज। ओके, कैन यू सी माय स्क्रीन कल्पना?
यस सर।
देखो, पहला जो लिंक है ये डाउनलोड वाला है, राइट? इसको जब मैं ओपन करूंगा तो देखो यहाँ पे जो साइज आ रहा है ना 4.2 GB वाला, कल्पना दिख रहा है?
हाँ,
वही डाउनलोड करना है आपका, ठीक है? बाकी कुछ नहीं। क्लियर? ये क्लियर हो गया आपका? यस नो? ठीक है। दूसरा ऑप्शन क्या आएगा आपका? VMware इंस्टॉलेशन। इसको क्लिक करो कल्पना, और VMware का आपको टैब देगा, ये वहां पे दिख रहा है विंडोज होस्ट वाला, वो डाउनलोड करना है। क्लियर? ये बाकी कुछ नहीं करना है, ठीक है? चलेगा, ओके, ठीक है। ओके गाइस, तो अभी गाइस क्लियर? आर ऑल कंफर्टेबल? सब कुछ समझ में आ गया जो आज का सेशन था वो? ठीक है, तो प्रॉपरली गाइस यू मे प्लीज गो थ्रू द रिकॉर्डिंग at least 1 or 2 times and please create your AWS account. Okay, this is just today's class. Okay, it was a first session, तो मैं ज़्यादा कुछ एडवांस कुछ बताया नहीं, बहुत ही बेसिक और सिंपल तरीके से बताने की कोशिश की आपको। और बेसिकली आपका जैसे अकाउंट बन जाएगा, यू नीड टू क्रिएट EC2 इंस्टेंस। और हाँ गाइज, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू वन थिंग। जैसे आपका EC2 इंस्टेंस बन गया, ठीक है, प्लीज डू नॉट डिलीट दैट इंस्टेंस। आपका जैसे प्रैक्टिस हो गया तो उसको स्टॉप कर देना। डू यू नो हाउ टू स्टॉप दैट इंस्टेंस? लेट मी शेयर यू, just let me know if you can see my screen guys.
Yes sir, ये बोलो सर।
ओके, अभी जैसे कि आपकी प्रैक्टिस हो गई, राइट? तो इसको सिलेक्ट करना, इंस्टेंस स्टेट में जाना और स्टॉप ऑप्शन दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, इसको स्टॉप कर देना। क्लियर गाइस, देखो ये इंस्टेंस स्टॉप हो जाएगा। अब ये स्टॉप क्यों करना है? इफ यू आर नॉट स्टॉपिंग दैट इंस्टेंस देन व्हाट विल हैपन? सी गाइस, आपको मैं बताता हूँ। लेट मी टेल यू वन मोर थिंग। देखो AWS इज अ फ्री टायर अकाउंट। AWS क्या है? इट इज अ फ्री टायर अकाउंट, बट ये कितने लिए है? 1 ईयर के लिए फ्री है। बट गाइस AWS every month it will allocate you 750 hours। हर महीने कितना घंटा मिलेगा आपको प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए? 750 आवर्स। दैट मीन्स ये आपको कितना मिला? 750 आवर्स। तो 750 आवर्स में आपको, जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल गाइस, लेट्स से आज मैंने मॉर्निंग में 7 o'clock को एक VM बनाया, ठीक है, एंड 7:15 को उसको डिलीट कर दिया। 7:15 को ये VM क्या किया गया, मैंने डिलीट किया। कितना टाइम यूज किया गया मैंने? प्लीज रिस्पॉन्स में। आई यूज्ड ओनली for 15 minutes guys, but AWS consider that you use this instance for 1 hour. Here guys, AWS consider that you use this instance 1 hour because partial hours converted into full hours. Okay, but guys, if you do so within a month, or within a 10 days, if you consumed all 750 hours, then what would happen? जैसे कि 750 आवर्स आपका, देखो जान का मन चल रहा है, जान के मन में सपोज यू विल हैव 31 डेज, राइट ना गाइस? और आपने क्या किया? विद इन 15 डेज आपने इंस्टेंस को डिलीट किया, मतलब एवरी टाइम यू डिलीटेड द इंस्टेंस, राइट? एंड लेट्स कंसिडर दैट, और you launch almost 5 instance. You launch 5 instance every day. You are launching the 5 instance, and unnecessary you are deleting the instance. What happened? Due to that your 750 hours it has been consumed. तो अभी कितने दिन बचे इस मंथ के? रिस्पॉन्स में
15 days.
15 डेज बचे हैं। अब ये 15 डेज का आपको बिल देना पड़ेगा। रिस्पॉन्स में प्लीज, समझ में आ रहा है क्या मैं क्या बताना चाहता हूँ? ये 15 डेज का आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? बिल पे करना पड़ेगा। क्लियर? So what would be the solution? The solution is that, let's say if you launch a VM 7 o'clock, if you launch a VM 7 o'clock, and let's say if your practice is done in 7:15, and you decided that you do not want to practice for a day or for a hour, so you just stop that instance. If you stop that instance, AWS only will consider 15 minutes. Clear guys? This is clear?
Yes,
Everybody? तो आपको कितना घंटा मिलता है? 750 आवर्स फॉर अ मंथ। एवरी महीना जैसे आपका रिफिल होता है, जैसे जनवरी में आपने 750 आवर्स यूज कर लिया, तो फरवरी में फिर से 750 आवर्स आपके अकाउंट में आ जाएगा। क्लियर? क्लियर गाइस? तो आपको जैसे आपका इंस्टेंस हो गया तो आप स्टॉप करो, राइट? अभी ये आपका इंस्टेंस स्टॉप हो गया। अगर let's say you have a question, hey, how to delete the instance? So select this instance. Let's say you want to delete the instance state and terminate tab. If you click on terminate instance, your instance will be deleting. Clear guys?
yes, sir.
Okay, how to start the instance? Just select the instance, go to instance state. Can you see the option start instance? Click on start. Your instance will be starting now. Guys, always remember, every time your public IP will be changed, because this is your dynamic public IP address. So don't get confused, okay? So if you are using existing public IP, then obviously after rebooting the instance, your instance won't get connected because your IP has been changed, right guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, now you got the new IP. So what you need to do, select the instance, copy the public IP, open your putty, paste the public IP address, and simply go to the SSH auth option. You will get the browse option, and just go to download the key and select the key, whatever the key is, and you are log into the instance. Clear, guys? Response me, please.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, it's very simple.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. Now, any question, guys, from this?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So my, let's say if my job is done, I'm just going to stop this instance. Stop instance. Not required. And guys, these are the regions, okay? So suppose why we are choosing the nearest region. If you go to the Google, guys, and if you type here Google or ping.info, if you get this link, guys, cloudping.info, if you click on that, देखो guys, ये आपके सारे region है. Let's say अगर कभी let's say if I'm connecting my instance from the Mumbai, sorry, if right now I'm in Pune, right, and अगर मैं पुणे से वो OVO इंस्टेंस में लॉगिन करना चाहता हूँ तो मुझे कितना टाइम लगेगा? मुंबई में करना चाहता हूँ तो कितना टाइम लगेगा? यू जस्ट क्लिक ऑन HTTP पिंग. तो देखो ये सारे इंस्टेंस कनेक्ट हो गए, मतलब द रीजन्स वुड गेट कनेक्टेड फ्रॉम हियर एंड इट वुड गिव द लैटेंसी. सोचो गाइस, सबसे कम टाइम किसको लगता है? Mumbai instance, correct? Only 7 millisecond. So that is what we have been choose only Mumbai region. Clear, guys? Because it is the very nearest, right? देखो अगर मुझे वही लंदन रीजन में मेरा इंस्टेंस है तो कितना लग रहा है टाइम? 127 मिलीसेकंड, राइट गाइस? तो देखो ये होता है लैटेंसी, मतलब लो लैटेंसी मतलब हाई स्पीड एंड हाई लैटेंसी मतलब स्लो स्पीड. अब देखो नॉर्दर्न वर्जीनिया में कितना लैटेंसी है? हाई है ना गाइस, 215. तो हाई लैटेंसी मतलब फास्ट या स्लो?
Slow.
फास्ट या स्लो?
स्लो.
आणि अगर कभी ये मेरा मुंबई रीजन है तो ये तो लो लैटेंसी है, तो लो लैटेंसी मतलब फास्ट या स्लो?
Fast.
हाई स्पीड.
क्लियर गाइस? लैटेंसी का मीनिंग समझ में आ गया? फास्ट, स्लो, लो लैटेंसी, हाई लैटेंसी. क्लियर?
Yes, clear.
Okay, guys, these
Yes,
are the
clear.
words which is very important for you. Okay, तो यहाँ पे आपका ये भी पूरा क्लियर टर्मिनोलॉजी है, राइट? हाई लैटेंसी, लो लैटेंसी. ओके, तो आई एम आस्किंग यू सम बेसिक क्वेश्चन नाउ. ओके, AWS पे गाइस पासवर्ड बेस्ड ऑथेंटिकेशन बाय डिफॉल्ट डिसेबल होता है या डिसेबल होता है?
Disable.
कौन सी सर्विस से हम इंस्टेंस क्रिएट करते हैं AWS?
EC2.
EC2.
EC2 का फुल फॉर्म क्या है?
ELS Cloud Computing.
ओके, वेरी गुड. कौन से की हम डाउनलोड करते हैं? व्हाट आर द टाइप ऑफ द
Public key.
Oh, but what are the key types?
.pam. .ppk.
Public.
Okay, and let's say for PuTTY, which key is supporting?
PPK.
And for Mobile Extreme?
PAM.
Same. Okay, what are the prerequisites, guys, to launching the instance? First,
We need to
What, sir?
download a key also. Download keys.
yeah, you need to download a key. And what are the options you need to select, fill up?
And host name, IP address.
Very good. No. One is host name, number of instance.
Yes.
You need to select AMI image. You need to select the instance type. You need to download the key and just click on the launch instance. Clear?
Clear. Okay.
Clear?
Clear. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And for AWS
Yes, sir.
account creation, what are the prerequisites we need to follow?
First,
What is that root email ID means?
Gmail ID. Gmail ID. Yahoo.
What is that root password? Root name? Root name is nothing but your nickname.
Gmail.
Yeah. And then you know that other steps, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts, guys? Today's session clear everything?
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So, guys, I hope you understood everything, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sir.
Okay, then we will be meeting the next session, guys. Okay. Until that, you just go through the recording. Okay. I would request you, everyone, please go through the recording, which is very, very, very important. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys. Then have a nice day and happy weekend.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Chalo. Bye, guys.
Bye, sir.
You will get this recording. Do not worry.
Okay, sir.
Fine.
Yeah. Bye.
Okay, sir.